Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem, binary tree right side view. This is one of the common interview questions asked in many companies. You will be given a root node of a binary tree and written all the nodes on the right side view. Let's take this example binary tree. Assume that you are standing on the right side of it here. You can see only these nodes 1, 3 and 4. Written these node values. Let's take a couple of other examples. In this binary tree, right side view nodes are 10, 14 and 20. If you take this binary tree, right side view nodes are 20, 30, 38 and 14. We should consider even this node. It is visible from the right side. We will be using level order traversal to identify right side view nodes. If you are not familiar with level order traversal, then I have included a video in the description. Please watch it. It's going to be an iterative approach. We will be using a queue here. Let's understand the approach. We will take this binary tree to walk through our approach. This is our queue. In this binary tree, this is level 1, level 2 and level 3. While processing nodes on one level, we will add next level nodes into this queue. Based on how we add nodes into this queue, we will consider either the first node or last node to represent right side view on each level. For example, if we are processing root node, then we can add a right node first followed by left node. In that case, we'll consider first node from the queue as right side view node in that level. We are going to add a right node first in our approach. Let's discuss the approach in detail. As a first step, we will add a root node into the queue. Root node is 10. Now we will start processing this queue. We will process this queue until this queue is empty. Processing means we will remove one node at a time from the queue and add its children into the queue. If you are constantly adding and removing nodes from the queue, how do you identify when the current level or next level is starting or ending? We need to track this. We need to maintain a counter at each level. Let's declare a variable called counter. The queue size is 1, so our counter value also 1 here. Till here it represents level 1. We will remove nodes from this queue until our counter became 0. Also, we will consider first node as a right side view in each level. Let's do. Remove the node. 10 is the node value. Since it is the first node in this level, let's track its value aside. Now, add its children into the queue. We will add a right node first. 14 is the right child here. And then followed by its left child. 6 is the left child. Now decrement the counter. The counter value is 0 now. We have processed one level. Now till here it represents level 2. The queue size is 2. Let's update counter value to 2. Remove node from queue. Since 14 is the first node from the queue in this level, track its value aside. Add its children 20 and 12. Decrement counter by 1. Now remove next node. Add its children 8 and 4 are its children. Decrement counter by 1. The counter is 0 now. We have processed one more level. Now till here it represents level 3. The queue size is 4 here. Update our counter. Remove node from queue. Since it is the first node, track its value aside. Since it is a leaf node, it does not have any children. We are not going to add any nodes into the queue. Similarly, we will remove all these nodes. Since all these nodes are also leaf nodes, no other nodes are going to add it into this queue. And here we got all right side view node values 10, 14 and 20. Just return this back. This is the approach. Hope you understood. Let's write code now. I have already copied method signature from LeetCode as it is. Also, I have copied class, tree node class from LeetCode as it is. If root is null, simply return empty list. Declare a list to hold right side view node values. Declare a queue. As a first step, add root node into the queue. Let's process the queue until it is empty. Declare a variable called size and initialize it with queue size. Now let's iterate based on size value. Remove one node from the queue. If I value is 0, then we will consider the first node as right side view node. So we will add its value into result list. Let's add its children. We will add right child first if it is not null. Similarly, add left child if it is not null. Finally, return the result back. We are done with coding. Let's test our code. I have already written main method to save some time. Already constructed a binary tree here, and we are making a call to right side view by pausing this binary tree root node here. Let's run. Here is the result, which is as expected. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.